mention. I said just for groups of 3 and 4. जो आगे आगे चलो
फोटोग्राफी मुझे बात है तो
Canadian business and common people in school.
How about your girlfriend? What do they call you?
Well, they call me Eji Susteo. I was probably one of the first batchmates to have got married. I did my physics honors from St. Stephen's and just after. Right,
happened with him is no, that's where I am. The best thing that has happened with him is that he got
Chalo, over to Papi. I know him since nursery.
I'm Prem Arora, Geeta Arora. I'm in Delhi. Since then, staying in DJ1 in my own business of real estate, infrastructure, roads. Comfortable, one son, married.
Does anybody know?
Which I suppose you all know. And it was a great, best thing I ever did. I now live in the UK. I've been married for 32 years now. And my husband is an Illard from Kerala, and he is an orthopedic surgeon. I've got 3 children. He is an Illard, and I've got 3 children, and it's lovely being here today. It's lovely.
Hi, I'm Anita Phalla. I was Anita Verma. My husband Rajesh Phalla. Yeah, and I've been married 36 years. Out of school, then into Lady Irwin for nutrition honors. So basically, I'm a nutritionist. Though I'm now a chairperson of a company into exports. So it's totally off what I've studied. I have 2 kids. Actually 4, because the 2 daughters-in-law also are my children only. Soon to be a grandmother. So I'm really, really glad that we all could get together here and yesterday once more, really. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Harminder Singh Lover and she is Neetu. After high school, I joined SRCC, but I never knew there were so many of our friends from Cambridge there also. And after the graduation, I joined my family hosiery business in Sadapura, still with them. And I have 2 sons. One has just joined his job, and the second is doing his computer engineering.
I know Abhinda since nursery. He used to bully me a lot.
I don't know.
He bullies me also a lot.
Big story. I'm married for last 30 years. Some say और कुछ बोलना अच्छा और same story. I've become a grandfather. I have one daughter who lives in Dubai, and she's into
he's no longer Susti because he's a gym freak and fitness freak, 3 to 4 hours and a golfer.
No wonder. कभी इसको जब गुस्सा करता है, इसे मेरे डोले देखे? हेमा को दिखा चुका एक बार.
किसी ने पकड़ लेना?
WhatsApp वाला गुंडा. I'm Rakesh Chokran, my wife Kusum. Married for 18 and 34 years. 34. I have a son and a daughter, both married. And of course, I have 2 granddaughters. That's the most loveliest part of thing in my life. उससे बढ़िया कुछ नहीं लगता. And something I have my businesses out there in Green Park. बहुत अच्छा लगा सबको देख के. Of course, very many of them are very good. होता है.
So many years.
Of course, Swami has been with me from the last, say about 35 years से तो हमारा ज़्यादा contact हो गया स्कूल के बाद. बस same E30.
After school, I did my college from SRC. I've been married for 33 years now to this beautiful lady, Hemant. Yeah, that's true. And I have 3 kids, 1 daughter who's married, and 1 son, 1 daughter who was still young. And it's great to meet everybody after 40 years, which seems like a lifetime. And thanks to Saibal and KD and Amol, I'm really thankful to them for putting up.
I am Shaivan Datta. I did my MSc Chemistry from Delhi University and marketing in biotechnology, and my area was oncology and virology. I have 2 daughters, 2 lovely daughters, one aged 23, and my wife Shompa is not able to join us. And it's fun, it's really fun to see so many faces and efforts of every one of us. I think it's your cooperation that we are together. Continue to meet, the group increases, and meet more often, not 40 years later, so that we are all up there. Thank you.
Closer to the mic.
Closer to the mic.
Yeah, I don't want to say anything more.
I'm Bindu Gupta. I was Bindu Jain in school. And I think most of you know this, that I am teaching at Cambridge School, Srinivaspuri. And still in my alma mater. I'm the head of the biology department, handling students of class 11 and 12. My husband couldn't make it today because of some problems at home. Teaching ever since, like I just left school, then I went in for my graduation and post-graduation from Delhi University. Seen no other school, as a student also, as a teacher. I think I just remember going to a play school. And it's been a lovely experience, in fact, teaching at Cambridge. I have 2 children, a daughter, she finished her hotel management from an institute, private institute. And my son is doing dentistry. He's in his 4th year. Thank you. And it's lovely being with all of you. I feel, when I go to school, in fact, I don't see my classmates there. But now I feel as if I'm back in school, in fact, with all my friends. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chandrika Malhotra now, Sethi then. My husband Anil. He's retired from the Indian Army as a Lieutenant General. I've been married for 36 years, 2 kids, daughter and a son. Daughter is married and grandmother to 2 kids, 2 grandkids also. Son is yet to get married, he is in Bangalore, works there. Daughter is very much in Delhi, and it's lovely meeting all of you.
I'm Amor. And she's Reva. We are married for the last 22 years. And I've got 4 kids, all unmarried. I've got 3 beautiful daughters and a son. And they have been the persons who have done this artwork. They've helped out in this thing. And I'm into publishing business. And
I'm Rakesh Mittal. This is my wife, Sandhya Mittal. I did my graduation from Hindu College. I have 2 kids, 1 son, 1 daughter. Both are married. I am in business in edible oil and sugar.
Go to
the whole work has been done by them, basically.
And I've taught his daughters, both of them. They are so lovely.
All the
both
daughters, the doctor and the fashion designer, are Bindu's students.
Very good girls. Lovely.
My name is Vinay Suneja. I did my graduation from, I am into my family business of fabrics. Suit materials, please contact me. I'll give you my contact numbers later. And this is my better half, Yamini, married for 33 years now, and 2 sons. The elder one is a software engineer in Birlas of Noida, and the younger one has just cleared his architecture and on the way to become a professional architect. So, over to...
And that's what I tell him, pass marks.
We are still on the failure side.
40% incidentally.
Hi, good evening everybody. I am Devendra Gupta and my wife Dr. Sanjay Gupta. We have a beloved daughter Aditi Gupta. She is doing her masters in law from Columbia University currently. We late marriage, so most of her 30 years plus. So after passing from Shriram College of Commerce, I worked as a probationary officer with Indian Overseas Bank. Left them in 1995. Joined ICICI Bank, was part of the initial team which set up the branches. Worked for the group for 15 years. Left them in 2010. Went to East Africa's Group 0 Financial Service Group. Found Manoj Kohli there. Came back 7 months back. Currently, I am incubating first digital loan product in India for agri domain. Fairfax Group of Canada. God has been very kind. Rakesh, Vijender there, and Dr. Ayya Arora from Section B who is not here. I think we have been in constant touch, and they have stood along with me, during difficult and good times. I opened my phone and I found 1,000 messages. I said, what is this? I'm not a WhatsApp guy. Because WhatsApp is just to be connected to your daughter. So I don't see the messages, but thanks again to connect to everybody. Really appreciate that. And especially your daughter.
It's been a very nice day today, meeting so many of my school friends, and really an enjoyable day. I hope everybody enjoys.
When I left, you end up with...
Okay, I'm Jagdish Yunani, and like everybody else, I have a beautiful wife. Although I don't deserve her, but still God has been kind to me. And I am into business of retail of Legisur, but I'm not going to put a stall here. Although I have many potential customers here with a lot of deep pockets. Now maybe Manoj will say some flattering words about me.
My name is Gunesh Khurana. Great to be here, great to meet so many old friends. Very, very interesting and exciting. And this is my wife, Renu, married for now 34 years. And I have a son who is practicing wealth management. And we are enjoying our life, but coming here was a great thing. Thank you.
First, I'd like to thank Mickey and all the organizers. I think excellent work done. It's not an easy job. I think you've been doing it for 6-7 months. And so thanks to all of you. First, my wife, Ruby. We have been married for now 29 years at the stroke of midnight tonight. The school actually, till about 8th standard, I was a very poor student. I was 9 in 7th. And in 8th, I got 11 out of 100 in maths. And so school taught me what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, and hence what should I do. That has helped me through the life. We have 2 daughters. Elder one is a startup, doing a startup. I'm also doing a startup. She's also doing a startup. She's done 5 years in McKinsey. And younger one is a fashion luxury brand. Both are working now. And hope I'll be grandfather like next few years. They have to get married for that. My dream is to become grandfather like you. Thank you.
Soon after that, 7 years I worked in India in finance, and then I moved to Dubai in 1994. I've been there only to realize that I thought life was easier in Dubai and went to the comfort zone of Dubai again, where we continue. And this is my wife Anita. We've been now married for 29 years, 28 years, same as Devin, just a week apart actually. 28 years.
Yes, 28.
Confused.
I am Pradeep Mehra, and my identity is messaging in Hindi. So, honors किया खालसा कॉलेज से, यूनिवर्सिटी दिल्ली, और विश्वविद्यालय। उसके बाद मैं अपना ज्वेलरी बिजनेस में रहा, और ये मेरी वाइफ है सीमा। हमें 31 साल हो गए हैं शादी को, और एक बेटा है, वो अभी अविवाहित है। भाषा बोलने का। वैसे आई वॉज वेरी पुअर इन हिंदी उस टाइम में, मार्क्स कम आते थे, 85 मार्क्स। बेटा मेरा वाइन कंसल्टेंट है, वाइन एक्सपर्ट है।
मार्क्स कट है आपके?
एकदम मेकर बनाने वाला या क्या?
मदिरा
मदिरा अंगूर वाली मदिरा। और मैं यहाँ के जो अपने प्रबंधक हैं इस एसोसिएशन के, संस्था के, उनका मैं बड़ा शुक्रगुजार हूँ जो उन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया इसका। और सबको हमको यहाँ पे शामिल होने का मौका मिला, तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ जो हमारे साथी लोग आए हैं यहाँ पे और यहाँ शोभा बढ़ाई है सबकी। धन्यवाद।
Working at the risk advisory and will go for his post graduation. But great job by Mickey and everyone else. Amol, Mickey, and Hema also, I would say. Anita. Everyone whoever has been involved, I think fantastic. It's been really great. Thank you. Really, in charge.
Pradeep Dasgupta. I was known for bunking classes along with Gurjeet Bedi. So I was expecting that Bedi would be here.
Yes,
He bunked here also. Actually, a time came when what we would do is get down from the school bus at the Lajpat Nagar crossing when it stops a little.
Slows down.
And if me and Gurjeet together were not there, it was a sure case that we have gone to Alankar or the adjoining place. So what we have to do is that एक ही बंदा जा सकता है एक दिन। तो पहले कोई आ गया पिक्चर, तो अब वो लड़ाई हो जाती थी कि मैं पहले जाऊँगा, मैं पहले जाऊँगा। So we have been doing this for a long time, and but still survived within the. So the other thing is I was known also for my hockey and football association with Mr. Singh and Mr. Hari and all these things. And in spite of all this, I was only behind Pratul in the overall marks. So I don't know how it happened. 611. Pratul was 621. So it's up and down. I don't know how it happened. And I've average I have done in my career, not being a CEO or something or a startup. And Nandini, now you take it forward.
Well, we've been married for 28 years. We have a daughter, Ragini, and a son. Ragini is working, and Rajat is doing law, 4th year. And after hearing what all Pradeep has to say about his school life, I have a lot to go back and tell Rajat because he's after his life for not studying, even in college. I wish he was here and could hear his father talk about how much he bunked classes.
You got the video recording that?
Yeah, I need to take it back and make sure that he sees
That would
it.
really nail it down.
In some other session, I'll elaborate more. The fine things.
Yeah. And I'm a teacher. I teach computer science in DPS Sarkipura.
Talk about bunking, you used to bunk with Gurjeet Bedi, Sherry, he is still bunking here.
No session class.
Hi, I'm Anuradha Luthra, now Anuradha Grover. And this is my husband, Ranjit. I would describe the last 38 years, I'm not talking about the last 2 years, with a couple of lines that I wrote many years back. यूं ही चलते आहें भरते दूर चले जाएंगे हम, लेकर न जाएंगे खुशी, ना ही होगा साथ गम. So last 2 years have been more खुशी than gum, but yeah, and I live in Paradise, which is New Zealand. Got 2 sons. Older one is an IT consultant. Younger one still wants to know what he wants to do in life. So at the moment, he's roaming around the world. Been to Canada. He's in India at the moment. We are having a family wedding next week. So he plans to do Bharat Brahman after that and then go to Europe. So still trying to find his feet. I work as an immigration consultant. So if anyone's wanting to look to migrate to paradise, so I'm the person you should contact. Yes, that's all from me.
So my husband Vinay Talwar.
But my kind of, Talwar.
Yeah, Talwar is not working at all.
She's the sharp one. School में वैसी थी.
Not sharper now. After school,
She's sharper than what she was at.
Yeah. I went to LSR, did ECO, then I did my MA, and then I joined an insurance company. Same company I've been working for, I don't know how many years, 36 I think. And we have two lovely daughters. The elder one, Vinayana, she's married, she's working, she's an MBA, she's working with Network 18. Our son-in-law is with TBS Treasury, and my younger daughter's got a CA final. And Vinay is a chartered accountant, he's a corporate lawyer.
I think she said, मैंने acknowledge